How to start your first real estate investment. What are your options? Hi, I'm Rich Barnes, owner of Realty Experts in West Dallas, Wisconsin, 53214. And many of my clients have been telling me they want to invest in real estate, yet they don't know where to start. Here in the U.S., there are a lot of options for investing in real estate. From land to flipping, single houses, duplexes, multi-units, commercial, retail, industrial, syndication are within reach. If you are a first-time investor, I always suggest you start small because you can learn a lot from the process, and when you get familiar, you can scale it up and go bigger. First of all, I would like to know, what is your investment budget? You have the option of putting as little as 3.5% down with a loan with PMI, or in general a conventional loan, depending on your financing status. Once we know your financial situation, we will determine what type of purchase you can make based upon the funds you have or the funds that you would like to invest. There are 4 elements that you'll be looking for when you're investing. Number 1, the cap rate. Number 2, cash flow. Number 3, equity buy down, meaning the tenant will also help pay your mortgage. And number 4, the appreciation. What a cap rate means is the ratio of the net operating income to its purchase price. The lower the cap rate means the lower the cash return on the property. In this area here, in general, you may be looking at a range of 5 to 8% cap rate based upon the property location and condition. You will need an experienced agent to dig into the area and find deals for you. I can assist you and find you something where the return is sizable to cover all expenses. Knowing your available funds is important to determine what type of investment best fits you. In my experience, I've helped many of my friends and clients purchase property back around 2010 as little as 20% down. With my assistance, their investment has already scaled up in recent years, and now that initial down payment of $20,000 has become $250,000 in equity. Not bad, eh? Invest wisely with an experienced agent. With help, you can achieve your financial freedom and goals. Just remember one thing: it doesn't happen in a day. It takes time, and it's not a miracle. It takes strategies, it takes time, knowledge, and planning. For more videos on investing, click the link below. This is Rich Barnes with Realty Experts, and as always, you can rely on Rich.com. Thanks, and you have a great day.